Thanks for watching again, man. This your boy, Mark Anthony Tarantino, found on most social medias that way. We're back at Moore's Barbershop, place I work, place I love, man. We're gonna go inside right now and see what's going on.
What's up, everyone? Today I'm gonna be doing a high-low fade. So right here you see me combing down the hair just to separate it from the top. See what I need to work on. Alright, right here I'm gonna set in my first guideline for the low side of the fade. Right here, I'm gonna go behind that line and I'm gonna bald it out with my magic clip. As you can see on this side, I already have my guideline set in, so now I'm going to go ahead and set in my second line, which is going to be the lever open with no guard, and it's going to be about a ½ inch to an inch up. I like to fade from the bottom up. As I'm setting in this guideline, I go behind it with my brush just to clear up any hair that might be left behind so I can see a solid guideline. Now I'll put in my guideline on the other side. Also, when I set in my guideline, I like to use a little flick out motion. That way it doesn't leave too hard of a line in there. Gives me a little bit of a start on the next line. Here I'll take my magic clip with a 1 guard on it. 1 guard open. I'm just going to set in my second guideline and give it a little bit of shape through the top. Still brushing behind it so I can see where the line's at. Doing the same on the other side, but on this side I'm going to leave it a little bit lower because this is the low side of the fade. I need a little bit more bulk towards the top to give that separation. Now I'll go behind it with my 1½ guard, and I'll just take it all the way through the top and shape it up that way. Leave me a little bit more bulk on the left side. I'm going to take the 1 guard closed and I'm going to take out that line in between the ½ and the 1 open. Still brushing away any extra hair that might block the line. With the 1 guard halfway open, I'm going to take it through the guideline and try to shape it up a little bit more this way. Right here I got the clipper closed and I'm just taking out that initial guideline that I set in the beginning. Here I'll be working on the other side, taking out that lower guideline, moving my lever up and down as I go up on the fade. Now I'll go behind it with my trimmer and I'll get in the guideline that I set in with that. Right here I'm separating the long hair from the front lineup. I'm just knocking it down a little bit with my 1 guard open. the same through the front and to the other side. Now I'm gonna pick out my client's hair as we get ready for the shape up. Right here I'm gonna do a shape up with no guard and clipper blade open. Pick out his hair a little bit more, get the top a little more level. Do a little bit of scissor work on top, just get the little flyaways that we can see here. Right here I'm working on his front line with my bevel trimmer, trying to get a nice little sharp corner. This will also set me up for the design to separate the high from the low fade right here. Right here I'll be doing the design to separate the high from the low fade. Here I'll be laying a hot towel on my client's forehead to make the lineup go a little bit easier with the razor. I'll be applying my 1821 shave gel before I put the razor on the forehead. Clean up his lineup with the razor right here, make it nice and crispy. Right here I'll do a little bit of eyebrow work. Dust off my client real nice so I can see what else I have left behind. Right here where I set in my guidelines, I'm gonna go behind it with my shaver and get it nice and bald underneath there for any stuff that could have left behind. This is the finished result of the haircut. High-low fade.